Hi, and welcome to Steady Option Income. My name is Brett. I'd like to talk to you about selling put options and using paper trading to practice on, and versus when you're going to start doing it with real money, start trading with real money. We have subscribers that will come in and they will start paper trading without kind of a goal in mind. It's kind of just trade for 2 or 3 months or 4 months, and then they're going to see these magnificent results and go into real money, and things suddenly change. And I like to kind of talk about when you should consider using real money and why that change occurs when you go from paper to real money. So the results are great with paper money for weird reasons, but is that really too good to be true? Should you trust those results? Because when you start trading with real money, a lot of different things start happening. Your results aren't quite as good. You start making these mistakes. They seem like they're amplified. And really, it's a lot of the things that you were doing with paper money, but with real money, everything is amplified. Every little thing gets amplified. A lot of emotions come into it. So some of the things are like mistakes you're going to start making. You're going to have various kinds of losses, and you're going to wonder, why is all this happening? Why was everything just working so great with paper money, but now I'm trading real money, and all these mistakes are coming about? And there are those mistakes, again, that you're making with paper money. You're just not noticing them as much because it's not real money. There's no value to it whatsoever. So the reason this goes on is because real money is not paper money. So emotions are off the charts with real money. Again, every little thing gets amplified. It distorts your decision making. It causes you to make quick decisions. It causes you to be very irrational. So what should you do to handle the transition from paper trading into real money? So what I like to tell our new subscribers that are paper trading to start with is to paper trade and learn the mechanics of selling put options. That means learning how to sell to open. So open your new position, learn how to buy it back and close that position. See what happens around expiration, understand the mechanics of that. Look at how to hit the bid, look at how to hit the ask. And really, those are around limit orders. I always trade with limit orders. I never go in market. So you'll want to understand when you have the trade on, whether you're buying or selling, that you are actually buying or selling, and you're not looking to close options and the order is actually set for a sell, which is just going to add more options, and you're not actually going to close out. So you want to handle those kinds of things. Be aware of those kinds of things while you're paper trading so that when you go into it with real money, you won't be making those kinds of mistakes. So really, once you have those mechanics down, I think you should start trading real money as soon as possible, because you're going to apply what you learned with the mechanics in paper trading to real money, and you're going to be more aware of things that can go wrong. So while you're paper trading, you want to be aware of all those different factors of things that can go wrong. And then you transition into real money. Take it slow, double check your order, make sure it's the right order, its limit, and then start proceeding just slowly, using small contracts even. And just know that you're going to make mistakes. That's part of it. Don't get super emotional about it and start doing things very quickly and very irrational. Use small sizing, so do one contract at a time. Or if you want to buy another different option, one contract there. Now you have 2 contracts total, diversified across 2 different positions. Or if the account allows it, maybe 2 contracts on one particular position. But you're going in small to limit the mistakes until you are comfortable with the mechanics in real money. So again, you're comfortable with the mechanics in paper money. Now you transitioned into real money. You want to get comfortable with the amplification of emotions with real money. Once you're comfortable with the mechanics in real money, you can start increasing the sizing. So those are just a few tips on how to transition from paper money into real money. I don't think just setting an arbitrary 3 or 4 months is helpful. I think once the mechanics are there, transition as quickly as possible into using that knowledge of how to open and close positions, how to adjust them, meaning if you've got an open position, you want to add to it, or you want to take some off, but you still got the position overall. And then once you have those mechanics, start using them with real money. So again, my name is Brett, and this is brought to you by the Steady Option Income product line. which is put out by SAS Capital. And if you're interested in subscribing, we have 2 newsletters for put selling only. So it's the only 100% dedicated put selling newsletters. And we also have a fast track for new subscribers that want to learn selling of options, to walk through different kinds of scenarios. So you get a one-on-one with me in that. And you can just visit here, the URL, sascapitalag.com/SOI. Thank you again.